Hi viewers, welcome to all. Here we are discuss about your project High Speed Area Efficient VLSI Architecture of 3 Operand Binary Adder. The basic functional unit for performing modular arithmetic in different cryptography and pseudorandom bit generation algorithm is a method of 3 operand binary adder. The commonly used technique to execute the 3 operand binary adder in carry save adder which using number of ripple carry steps. However, the result of propagation delay will increases significantly. In addition, a 2 operand adder of parallel prefix method such as a hand correlation and carry save adder can also be used for 3 operand additions, which decreases the critical path latency at the expense of additional hardware complexity. Therefore, it using pre-computation bitwise addition followed by carry prefix computation logic, a modern high-speed and space-efficient adder architectures is proposed to perform the 3 operand binary addition that consumes significantly less area, less power, and dramatically decreases the proposed architecture of this work will developed at 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit 3 operand adder which using Kongstone parallel prefix adder and developed the application of MDCLCG method which using proposed 3 operand adder and proved the performance of area, delay and power. Now we can verify the base paper. Okay, so here in the figure 1 architectures it will prove the existing method of carry save adder and figure 2 architectures will prove the existing method of hand correlation method, and figure 3 will present the proposed 3 operand adder. Section A will focus on first order VLSI architecture. Section B will focus on logical diagram of bit addition, base logic, sum logic, black cell and gray cell. Okay, now first we will develop this bit addition logic. Okay, so it contain a chain of full adders. Okay, so the F will focus on the full adder, that means same like as a bit addition logic. Okay, this circuit. Okay, but this circuit it's having some small mistake, it's having a AND gate operation, but it's wrong. Okay, we need a OR gate operation on here. Okay, and second one is a base logic operation. After this sum output and carry output from this full adder part, we need to add that in base logic. Okay, after this base logic we will be get a P output and G output. That output will be given to the parallel prefix adder. Okay, so once the addition process will completed, finally we will be given that data to sum logic. Okay, and will be XOR it. Okay, in between the parallel prefix adder will have a number of cells. Okay, that cell contain a black cell and gray cell and buffer. Okay, so the architecture of this black cell will be given on here and gray cell will be given on here. Okay, and once will be completed this proposed 3 operand adder, will move on the application part. Okay, so here the application part will be given on here in figure 5. Okay, so MDCL CG. Okay, so first we need to complete a LCG module. The LCG module architectures will be given on here. Okay, we will take some more reference paper, the modified dual CLCG method and its VLSI architecture of pseudo random bit generation. As per this architecture of dual CLCG method, okay, we will be construct the same thing on here. Okay, so once we completed the LCG module, we will be move on the dual CLCG module. After that we will be developed on MDCLCG module. Okay, now we have to see the Verilog coding for this architecture. Okay, so first we will focus on this adder, proposed 3 operand adder. Okay, here we are developed this coding up to 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit. Okay, so this is a 32-bit coding. This is a test bench and this is a proposed 3 operand adder. Okay, this is a bit addition logic for 32-bit and base logic for 32-bit and PG for 32-bit and sum logic for 32-bit. Okay, so now I'll be shown the simulation work. Okay, so this is a simulation output, this is a test bench and this is a proposed 3 operand adder, bit addition 32-bit and base logic 32-bit, bit addition single bit, PG and sum logic. Okay, the test bench part we will be add one more data bit equal to data check equal to a input, b input, c input. Okay, that a input, b input, c input directly given to this proposed 3 operand adder, and parallelly we will be add this a plus b plus c input. Okay, and we need to check it in the data check. Okay, here this is a data check output. Okay, now you can verify the same value will be presented on the 3 operand binary adder. Okay, so wherever you check, the same value will be present. Okay, so for checking purpose we will be use this. Okay, and this is the application coding for MDCLCG method. This is a test bench coding. Okay, here this is a top model coding. Okay, here we need to use a x0, x1, x2, x3. Okay, 4 bit. Okay, the same like as a here. Okay, so x0, x1, x2, x3. so here they are given for x0, y0, p0, a0. okay, the bit name it's not a problem. Okay, the same x0, x1, x2, x3, a0, a1, a2, a3, and c0, c1, c2, c3. okay, so that is a 3-bit input. Okay, and the mod value will be given on here. Okay, and this is a 2 CLCG model. Okay, that is a dual CLCG model. This is a dual CLCG model. It's containing a LCG model and one comparator. Okay, so this LCG model code will integrate it with proposed 3 operand 16-bit adder. Okay, because it's having some equation. Okay, so that equations will have a multiplicate value. Okay, so 8 into 8 equal to 16-bit multiplication value. So we need a proposed 3 operand 16-bit adder. Okay, here. Okay, now I'll be shown the simulation output. Okay, this is a proposed 3 MDCLCG output. Okay, this is a z value. Okay, this is a random value of z value. Okay, so now you can verify here. This is a value. Okay, and I'll shown the Xilinx synthesis part. Now the proposed 3 operand adder for 32-bit. Okay, this is a area report. Okay, and this is a delay report. Delay will take 13.118 nanosecond, and this is a RTL schematic proposed 3 operand adder. It's having a bit addition logic, base logic, PG, and sum logic. Okay, and it's having a number of blocks in 32. Okay, and this is a PG logic. It's having a black cell, gray cell. Okay, this kind of the structure. Okay, and this is a power report 525, and this is a MDCLCG model. Okay, it's a area report. Okay, and this is a power report, sorry, delay report 5.771 nanosecond. Okay, and this is a RTL schematic MDCLCG model. Okay, and this is a 2 CLCG model will be integrated on here with the XOR final output. Okay, and this is a dual CLCG model. It's having a 2 LCG model and one comparator. Okay, this LCG model will have a number of RTL blocks. Okay, and the power report of this MDCLCG is equal to 0.527. Okay, so this comparisons will be given on here. Okay, and here is a LCG with a 3 operand adder, and CLCG with 3 operand adder, and MDCLCG with 3 operand adder, and 3 operand adder will be developed for 8-bit, 16-bit, and 32-bit. Okay, for this video we can't possible to explain all the bits. Okay, so this is a coding for 32-bit. Okay, and this is a coding for 8-bit. Okay, and this is a coding for 16-bit. Okay, and LCG model will be given separately, and CLCG model will be given separately, and this is a MDCLCG model. Okay, it's also given separately in folder by. Okay, and we are written abstract document for this project. This is a title, base paper abstract, enhancement of this project, proposed title, proposed abstract, existing system, disadvantages, proposed system, advantages, literature survey, finally references. Okay, and the comparison part will be given upon here, and this is a comparison chart analysis. Okay, thank you.
If you need more video related with VLSI projects implementation, please like and subscribe this channel.